Thank you for seeing this video. As a quick reminder, please subscribe for more updates.
Need to keep the
Sign?
no, we need to we do this with only paper towel.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
So, 3 of these beads came.
We need to pick the seeds and keep it on the paper towel. One more seed. One more seed.
Why? That on.
You need to see how the paper towel, all the seeds will grow inside. Like every time, 2 days once, we need to remove this out. Okay? And spray teeny little bit of water to the paper towel. And we are sticking it to the window.
What?
Yeah,
What?
seal the ziplock. Seal the ziplock.
Can we see?
Seal it. Seal it.
What's your name?
Press it. And take the tape. Take the tape. And every day after you get up, you need to watch what is happening to this, okay? You need to stick it. Stick the tape.
Okay.
Stick it here first. Stick it to the window first. No. Yeah. Like 2 days one, you need to observe every time whether the seed is growing or not. And every 2 days once or daily once, you need to take the ziplock, take the paper out and spray the little teeny water and keep that. Mommy will help you for that, okay?
Nuthu, can you put little more potting mix in the pot for the plant? Now can we get the plant from the window garden and then water for putting the plant in the pot?
Yes.
Yeah, Nuthu, take plant from this window. We'll put it in the pot. Let's go to the pot. Can you dig little here so that we can put the plant?
Yes.
Good. Now can you take out the plant from the Ziploc bag? Slowly take the plant out. Can you show your plant from the window garden art? Okay, thank you. Now can you put it in the pot? And now can you cover that with the mud? Okay, I'll hold the plant. And can you cover the mud all the sides? All the sides. Very good. Can you give little water, splash water for the plant?
Look, this rings. That is a sour.
Very good. Give to the roots, not to the over there. Yeah. Okay. That is our garden art. We put the seeds and we did little plant in the window garden and then we moved it to the pot.